Yeah.
It's I don't know what is the call it is, but it's one kind of uh
Infection.
infection. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm suffering fever and infections. A little bit sick.
Yeah.
From today is too much, but each day and the second each day was little bit weak, but today is too much. But my
Oh.
conversation, my learning English, I didn't stop. My
Yeah,
learning
definitely.
journey is ongoing, and I'm trying to uh, keep the continue my learning journey. So if
Yeah.
I give up, so I will be go back.
Yeah, because if you have a big goal, then stopping learning is not good for you.
Yeah. So, bro, what about you? Are you fine now? Your
Yeah.
body, your
I'm
health
feeling
condition, everything is going good?
yeah, everything is going on very well. Uh, I'm fine, and after Eid, I should go my hometown. But actually, I already told you, 1 month ago, I faced a lot of health issues, so I
Right,
came
right.
back my native place. I stay there like 10 days. So this time, I think it's not a good time for going my hometown. That's why I cancelled traveling, and I wanted to stay here like 2 months after Bakra Eid, after Bakra Eid, I wanted to go my native place.
Oh, that's mean you didn't get the vacation for it. You are staying now
Yeah,
at your
right.
job place, right?
Yes, right. You are absolutely right.
Oh, so this
And
is
I'm also working on my learning English. Learning English a little bit. I am working on my goal, but not full fledged.
keep it up, keep it up. And I also trying to improve myself. I didn't give up my learning journey. And I already mentioned it, bro. It's
Yeah,
not overnight possible. It's a long time journey. So
yeah,
I have to
right.
keep off my continue my learning journey. So, bro, my voice maybe you are getting is slowly because today I'm too much sick. I feel sick. So don't
No,
mind.
no, no, no.
Okay,
Sound is clear.
okay, that's good. So, do you have any question? Do you want to ask?
Yeah, actually, question. So this time you are attending your classes or not?
No, bro. I already mentioned it to you. For 2 months, I took a leave from my institute because last
Oh,
month was the Ramadan month, so I didn't take my class properly, and two or three class I have missed. And whole day, if you perform the fast, so it's very complicated time. And my institute is too much far from my home. It's 30 kilometers.
yeah, right.
So
30 kilometers.
every day I used to make it 2 or 3 hours traffic jam, and
Yeah,
I made a journey 2 or 3 hours. So it was very uh, complicated. It was very stressful time for me. That's why I informed to my institute. So, sir, I can't continue. I'm not able to continue my class. So after it,
yeah.
after 2 months later, then I will join my level two. Already I have finished my level one, is the
Oh,
B1 level. Okay.
yeah. That's
So my for my course is has three level B1, B2, and C1. Okay.
yeah.
Already I have finished B1 and to B2 and C1 is remaining. So it's very important level. So I do not want to miss my level, this level. So that's why when I will be free and my mind and already fast has gone, Ramadan month has gone. And after it, 1 or 2 week, uh, everybody is there naturally. Everybody uh, has to lose. They have
Yeah,
they don't have to activeness. So that's why
right. You are,
I thought that no, it's not perfect time. It's not high time to join my class. So I said I will join after 2 months. So I think this time every student will be uh, is active and they will be energetic for studying. So after 2 months, I will join my class again.
yeah, right. It's a good.
So, bro, tell me one thing. How's the weather there now, and what is the temperature there?
Temperature, I think weather is good because this time temperature in my place 29 Celsius.
29.
Yeah, because
In
yesterday,
it has in balance
hmm,
maybe. Yes,
yeah, it's balance night. Yes,
but my here.
yesterday night,
Yeah, yeah. Go on, go on, go on, go
in my place rain, very what can I say? Heavy
on.
rainfall. So that's why I think a temperature it's a medium 29. It's not like cold or not hot. It's a medium.
Okay, bro. Can you tell me is a similar word is formal and the advanced? Is it, you already used hot. So can
Yeah,
you use there is an alternative word here, hot. You will
hot,
mention
hot.
the hotness, but you have to use the another word is the advanced formal English. So what can we use
Yeah.
there? What
Alternative word.
alternative word? Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we
But
use here is the boiling temperature?
boil. Yeah, boiling. I know boiling.
Boiling temperature. Yeah.
Yeah.
Plus is the
It's
formal.
alter.
I
It's a
learned.
boil. It's alternative of hot.
Yeah, yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Boiling temperature. Boiling is meaning the hot.
Very hot.
And
Boiling.
if I say another word is tall man. Sometimes we use this word. Uh, our friend, one of my friend, Rahul, whatever. He's very tall man. Normally we can sometimes we can use this word. So uh, they are tall displays. What we can use there? Tall, tall. That's me.
Yeah.
But any problem?
In this place, tall.
Tall, tall. For example,
Yeah.
I'm tall. I'm tall, man. I'm too much tall, better than you. Suppose I'm tall,
Yeah.
but you are tall, better than me. And Rohim is a tall boy in our class. Rahul is a tall, is too much tall, is very tall. Whatever you can say. So
Yeah.
what word we can use there? Tall. Tall is the normal word, but if I want to use the formal, so what can we use there? Tall,
At
tall.
advanced level.
Yeah, advanced level. Is towering. Maybe already
Towering. Yeah.
towering. Is tower. Is
Towering.
tower. That's mean big. They use this type of. So next video
Okay.
we'll discuss about the similar word with you, inshallah. Okay.
Inshallah.
Okay. So what is the time there now, brother? Is it the prayer time?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a time 4:15.
4:15. Okay.
Yeah,
So my here is the
4:15.
prayer time, is the Asr time.
As yeah, prayer time 4:15. 4:15. It's a Asar prayer time in your country.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes, brother. I'm hearing.
Hello.
Yes, yes, brother. You are audible. I'm hearing you.
Yeah. So actually 4:15. It's a Asar prayer time in your country.
Yeah, in the Asr
Yeah.
prayer time.
Yeah. Yeah. But in my country, it's a 4:45. Asar prayer time 4:45.
Yeah, but my here time is 4:45.
Yeah.
And
Half an hour difference.
yeah,
Your country and country, it's a half an hour difference.
yeah, and the Jamaat will be start at 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock,
Yeah.
Jamaat.
So these days, I think you are preparing for making videos only, or you are preparing your IELTS exam or not?
Yeah, definitely. I already mentioned it. I didn't give up my IELTS preparation. I'm trying to how to continue, how to keep my study continue. And I think my
Yeah.
study is ongoing, is better. And I think gradually it will be better. And maybe you can notice, already noticed. So, bro, maybe 2 or 3 months ago, uh, we have to recognize together. So you heard my English conversation. So what do you think? How's my English?
Yeah, yeah. I
Am
think
I
your English
improving?
is good.
Am I improving
You are
or I'm the same before?
no, no, no. You are improving. I think you are working hard for improving your spoken English because you are talking easily. But I think my English is not improving, brother.
No, 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 no. You have to improved better than before, and maybe your improving is ongoing. And I think every day you are wasting your valuable time behind learning English because long
Yeah,
time and no talk with you. And after
yeah,
maybe after 15 or 20 days later, today we are talking together.
yeah. Right. You are absolutely right. Oh, 15 days ago we talked, but only one talked, like 15 minutes only.
Yes. So, bro,
Last conversation for Ramzan.
so I want to ask you the personal question. What is your feelings without your family? You spent the time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Question. It's a good question, brother. But if I will talk honestly, it's not a good feeling
Definitely, I know that because
because
of family, you have two kids,
I
parents, wife.
sometimes sometime I think bored because without childrens, if you have childrens, then without childrens, uh, I think staying away from your family, it's very difficult.
Yeah, yeah. It's a really hard time.
I'm not feeling feeling good, brother.
Yeah, I think
But what?
yeah, yeah, go on.
But it's not in my hand because earning is also mandatory for family. Because if you have family, then you should earn money. Without money, how it will be possible to take responsibility
Oh,
your
are you
about your
only one person earning one person, your family, in your family?
yeah, only person. Yeah. You are absolutely right. I'm only one person. I'm only person who are take caring about my family.
So you have to
My
sacrifice, and you have to.
yeah, yeah.
You have no other choice.
Definitely.
Okay.
But yeah, I don't have other choice. But